So I think the question right now is like, what do we start with first? We have like 10 different sample ideas.
Something that feels and sounds like it feels, sounds like it looks.
I like this one too, but I don't know what, you know.
That's very dramatic.
Woo! You know what it feels like? It feels like
Rock Boys.
Yeah, it kind of feels like a hoodie piece. Yeah. I think I'm gonna add like a few keys and bass, but it may not, and that's probably it. I'm gonna add some of that. Okay. Hey man, it feels like the right type of music bed for the right type of piece.
This is the joint for the hoodie.
Crazy, let's do it.
Feels like it.
Feels special, man.
Let's run it.